Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange on October 25th. So let's go back to 1929. Starting yesterday, the market fell 40% over 4 days, causing the Great Depression. Market sold all $30 billion in value. That's not what's happening here. It sure did feel that way yesterday, and I'm sure some of the narrative that came out yesterday after the close, sell 600 points down, ETF selling, rebalancing, money and shares cascading into the marketplace, selling the market off yesterday. If you don't like the weather, just wait a minute, see what happened today. There's nothing but green on the screen today. Today is Thursday, October 25th, 2018, and there's green on the screen. Cash is king. Say hello. The Russell rebounded 32 points. Now, we're down 6 yesterday. At the high of the day today, we were up 520. So we almost actually took back everything that we lost yesterday, but we fell short just a touch. Volume was 1 billion shares. That's a good sign. Money changing hands. Dow up 400 points. Another good sign. That means there's a bid in the market. And they bought them with abandon, right? A lot of earnings came out after the bell. They bought those stocks with abandon. At one point today, Amazon was up $150. Unfortunately, the earnings were a beat, but the revs were a disappointment, and now that's down $80. At the end of the day, we rebounded quite well in the Russell. It was down 6 handles yesterday, back up 3.5 today. Spiders were off 50 handles yesterday, back up 50 today. So a good rebound. We have the dollar up, gold up, transports up 200. Nothing but green on the screen. So, you know, just let's put it in perspective. If you saw what happened yesterday, if you follow my premise of headline and emotional selling, smart money buying, as we've seen over the last 18 months, yes, we've given back a lot of what we made in 2018. But at the end of the day, and yes, we've given back a lot of percentage rallies in stocks per se, plus indexes per se. At the end of the day, every time we've seen emotional headline selling, even though fundamentals have not changed that much, those were buying opportunities. I'm going to continue to say that. So, you know, we did feel broken yesterday, and I said that. I said, but I'm not sure that this is going to follow through. And in fact, it didn't. We're up 520 at the high of the day, closed up 4. So a reasonable rebound, money being put to work, money shifting hands. I mean, this is just transfer of ownership in stocks. Who the heck knows what it is? But down 6, up 4 is a good response to yesterday's sell-off. Let's not overanalyze it. I'm kind of burnt out from the day. Fortunately, I'm having a little good hair day. That should be good for me. But at the end of the day, we end up green. I would say probably 7-1 on balance on the buy side, okay? So stick with it. I think you got to stick with it. October tends to be a negative month. We are trading through the anniversary of 1929 depression and massive sell-off. I think we're going to see November bounce back. So don't give up the ship. Stay in the game. Take some profits if you have to, but I would say shop for bargains. That's the way to go, okay? NYSE Einstein Inside First Shop from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I got a crowd of crazy people behind me. I'll see you tomorrow.